So hey guys, this is Jayant and welcome to the channel. So today we are summarizing the Apple event which happened on 13th October, which is today. There were two main products launched in this event, which were Homepod Mini and your favorite iPhones. First, let's talk about the Homepod Mini. It comes with Apple's latest and greatest S5 chip with all the privacy and security features which you would expect from Apple, and this product starts at around $99. Now let's move on to your favorite part, which is iPhones. This year Apple launched 4 iPhones, which were iPhone 12, iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12 Pro and also iPhone 12 Pro Max. The new iPhones also support 5G network with the millimeter wave support, which is fastest till date. Now let's talk about the iPhone 12 and 12 mini. They come with 5.4 inch and 6.1 inch display respectively, and there are a lot of camera improvements such as night mode. So in camera now you can enjoy night mode in selfie camera, also in ultra wide, and now you can also shoot time lapse with night mode turn on, which is absolutely best in my opinion. And all the new iPhones launched this year comes with this boxy design, which was inspired by iPhone 5s, later continued with iPhone SE, and now this iPhone 12 series. The iPhone 12 mini starts at around $699 and iPhone 12 continues the price of $799, which was last year for iPhone 11. So this year Apple have priced their iPhones very competitively, and which is very nice in my opinion. And now let's talk about the iPhone 12 Pro series. Here Apple launches iPhone 12 Pro and also the Pro Max with the new ceramic shield protection, and the Apple says that this is one of the best protection ever on a smartphone. And the Pro series comes with Apple latest and greatest and world's fastest chip, which is A14 Bionic. And with the Pro series you get Apple Pro RAW support, which is a new name for raw image in Android, and you can export all your images with greater sharpness and with more editing features with Apple Pro RAW support. Also the Pro variants comes with Pro HDR video recording, and you can now record a whole movie or a short film with the iPhone Pro series, which is great in my opinion. And another next level thing which Apple launched was Dolby Vision HDR support. Now your iPhone can easily shoot, edit, watch and share Dolby Vision video, and with this you can imagine the power of the A14 chip, because to shoot and to edit Dolby Vision HDR you need a setup of minimum 10 lakh rupees, a great computer with great hardware, and with Apple A14 chip it's possible on a phone. And also with the Apple Pro series there is an introduction to a new camera called LiDAR scanner, which was earlier present in iPads, but now Apple has launched it in their new Pro series of iPhones. It takes iPhone's computational photography to a next level with autofocus in low lighting. The LiDAR camera helps in focusing in night time, as it can see, as it's a LiDAR camera. Also it enables night mode portrait shots, so I can now imagine the kind of photos we can take with iPhones. They will be next level. And with all due respect to Apple, but this year iPhones will not be getting power brick in the box. There will be iPhones, earphones and only the cable. The power brick will not be provided in the box. Apple justified that by removing the power brick from the box they might reduce carbon emissions. So it is very sad to hear that Apple will be not providing charging brick in their retail iPhone units. So RIP power brick. This year's iPhone 12 series had 3 main USPs, which are great performance with Apple A14 chip, great network reception with 5G modules, and also great camera improvements. And with this the iPhone 12 series is best at this price, and the iPhone 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max continue to sell at the same price as iPhone 11 and 11 Pro, which is $1,000, and for the Pro Max variant the price is $1,099, which is same from last to last year. And also one interesting thing which I noticed in the event, which is MagSafe, which I think is the absolute best accessory what Apple can provide. It happens to be portable wireless charger. Also you can swipe your card for additional safety, and you can also buy a separate MagSafe charger which charges the phone quickly as possible, and you can also charge your Apple Watch side by side, which is great in my opinion. So yeah, that was the event, and it was indeed a great event by Apple. The keynote showcased iPhone 12 series with HomePod Mini, and I hope Apple continue to give their best products every year. This is Jayant signing off. I will catch you in the next one. Bye bye.